Hi guys! For today's video, nag-decide kami na i-prank si Kyle. May bago kasi siyang cellphone. Itatago namin ito and we'll reveal to him that it's a prank. Let's see! This is AJ, CJ, Joyce, and John. Kyle, Bien, and Jing. Karen, Isa, at ako, Nino. And we are the Aswang Fam. Beware of us.
Sa akin, o yung yakapin mo.
Maybe nandun sa labas, sa bata.
May gumawa pa po. Wala pa rin simple mo.
Nawawala yung cellphone ni Kyle. Bak, pinuhang ko. Pinuhang ba? Where CJ? CJ, where's Kyle's cellphone?
My phone is low ba? Say Roblox mo, pakalawin na yung Roblox eh.
It's a prank! It's a prank. Like, what can you say? What can you say? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang baby papalu. Makikilipat ka po. Post ka namin sa Facebook.
It's 1 a.m. and we're still here in Molito. Carlisle. Come here, Carlisle. What can you say about the prank? What? Why you don't like? Carlisle. Natapos at miksiman ng gabi, ang importante, uuwi kaming masaya at bitbit ang alaala.